Hello everyone, my name is Paul Broosjen and today I'm going to be showing you the P4Houdini plugin for Houdini and Perforce. So what is this plugin? The plugin is a plugin that connects Houdini and Perforce in a way that makes version control seamless straight from within Houdini. So imagine working with Perforce and Houdini. Let's say you have a file already on Perforce and you want to modify it in Houdini. You hit save and you get your usual permission error because the file hasn't been checked out. This is the kind of thing that the plugin is going to solve for you because it can automatically check out files, add files whenever it needs to. It also adds a lot of really convenient features and functionalities throughout the Houdini interface that we'll take a look at. So we'll be doing that right now briefly in this introductory video. The plugin is usable for individuals that want to use Perforce just for themselves. Or as as a freelancer, but we also offer the plugin for studio licensing so that you can have your entire team work with the plugin at ease. So in terms of features, what does the plugin offer you? Well, we have a very convenient shelf here that has a ton of tools that you might need to use throughout your day of working with Houdini. You can of course add and check out files with this really convenient pop-up here that will either be triggered automatically when you hit save on, let's say, an HDA or on a HIP file. You can add your change list description, create new change lists, and do a lot of other cool things. You can of course also submit change lists from within Houdini, make some last changes to your description. You can scan dependencies. So let's say you have an old Houdini file that you load up and you know that you've already saved a ton of geometry to disk that currently is not being tracked by Perforce, then that's what the scanning dependencies shelf tool is really convenient for. You can of course also revert HIP files or HDAs that you're working with. Let's say you've made some changes to a file and you want to go back to the version that's on source control, then this is what you use for that. Like I said earlier, there's also really convenient context menus all throughout the Houdini interface. For example, if you have some sort of file parameter here and you want to just add or check out that file, you can just do that with the right-click menu. The plugin also comes with a Python API, which is a wrapper, of course, around the Perforce API. And what it allows you to do is very easily, check out files automatically using some of these methods that have been documented here. So we'll be looking at all of these. This is just a very brief introductory video. So for now, let's get started and enjoy the plugin.